What up, YouTube fans? This is T at T Productions, and today we have Ticket Grinder. But it's going to be a different one today because we just got the second iteration of these blackjack tickets. So we got 7 of them, and they're $2, and we're going to have some fun. So this is number 94, and if any of the players' hands beats the dealer's hand, win prize shown for that hand. Reveal a blackjack 21, win double the prize shown for that hand. If dealer reveals a bust symbol, win all 7 prizes. That'd be great. Anyway, the odds on these tickets are 1 in 397. Alright, so let's begin. Let's see if I have the blackjack luck. Here we go with the dealer's hand. And he has 20. Alright, so we go with the player. We have a king, 17. Here we go with number 2. A queen, 19. Oh, so close. Alright, here we go with player number 3. We have an 8 and a 7. Well, that didn't win. Player's hand number 4. We have a 6 and 11. Oh, no win. Player 5. A 3 and a 10. 13. Still no win. Player number 6. We have a 6, a 16. Number 7, or player number 7. A jack. Nope. No win there. Alright, moving on to number 95. Ticket number 95. Let's see what he has. He has an 18. Ooh, that's going to be hard to beat. Here we go with player 1. We have a 7 and a 9. 16. Here we go, player 2. 7. Oh, there's a 17. Close, but no cigar. Player 3. An 11. Wow, 13. Whew. That's bad. We got a 7 and an 8. 15. Player 5. 17. No cigar. Player 6. We got a 5, a 15. Wow. He is just kicking our butts. There it is, folks. He kicked our butts again. Well, that's another butt kicker. 96. I wonder if we're going to get a win out of these. Dealer's hand. Here we go. Another 18. Oh my gosh. 14. 14 again. This is supposed to be 1 in 4. 11. 15. Wow, not even close. 17. Player 6. 15. Player 7. Nope, not even close. 96. That's 3 down, so this one should be a winner, folks. It's supposed to be 1 in 4. So we'll see. Number 97. Here we go with the dealer's hand. Oh, that's going to be almost impossible. Okay, so that's a winner, folks. Yep, that's a winner. 11 plus 9, that's 20. Let's see what we get. $4. Okay, that's a winner. Let's see if we get this one. A 20 again. That's another one right there. Here's our 4 winners. Woo, $6. Right there. Player 3. Another 20. Wow, look at that, folks. We just, oh my gosh, this is cool. $7. Well, here we go with 4. What does he get? A 10. Another winner. Wow, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, that's 8, 9, 10, $11. Whoa. Let's see. 4, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's $11 so far. All right, let's see what number 5 has. Come on, don't fail me now. Another 20. Wow. Whoa. Check that out. 4, 8, 12. 8, 12. That's 12, 13, 14. $15. Wow, that's awesome. All right, here we go with number 6. What do you got? Another 20. Oh, whoa, whoa. 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, $19. Oh boy, this has got to be, it's either a 20 or 25. Let's try this one. Here we go, number 7. What do we got here? Another 20. Ooh. $20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20 right there. Wow. Number 97. Woo! That's awesome. Wow. Okay, here we go. Number 98. Dealer's hand. An 18. Jack. 15. Number 2. 8. 7. 15. 12. Number 4. 13. 13. Here we go with this one. A 14. 17. 16. Okay, so that one wasn't cool. 98. And we have 2 more to go. Number 99. Here we go with dealer's hand. A 19. All right, player number 1. 13. Player number 2. 14. Player number 3. 15. Player 4. 15. Player 5. 13. Number 13. Player 6. 18. Player 7. 14. Nope. That's number 99. And here we go with the last and final one. Dealer's hand. Here we go. 100. 17. Player 1 has... There's a winner. 19. No. 20. Here we go. $2. Player number 2. Whoa, hold on. Another 20. $3. Wow, I'm going to have a hard time adding this up. 20, 22, 23, Player 3. Nope, not a winner there. Let's go with number 4. There's another winner. Another $1. Jeez. Whew. We're in the money on this one. 100. Player number 5. $17, $18. So we got another winner. Another $1 there. Player number 6. We have 13. Player number 7. A 15. Okay, folks. Well, I'm going to have to add this all up here. Let's see. Here we go. Okay. So, on these 2 tickets, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, $25. There you have it, folks. $25 on our ticket grinder. That's pretty good for 7 tickets at $2 each. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, comment, and T Productions. We'll see you again. Have a great day. I know we are. Take care, all. Bye-bye.